excited to be on this expedition and ride with the girls and just have a slightly different dynamic from what we're used to.
You guys can't see it, but I got a big old smile on my face right now.
Oh yeah, look at this nice rocks.
The ocean is definitely one of the main characters of this route. That's the only route in our system that goes along the ocean. Seeing this type of scenery is different from everything that we've experienced before in the BDRs.
Even though this route isn't super technical in terms of big rocks and ledges, it is full of twists and turns constantly.
Lots of twisties, left, right. If you like corners, you're gonna get your fill.
Dirt roads go forever out here, and I think that's super unique because near the coast in California, you don't really get to ride dirt. Like, we got to ride on some beaches.
You know, we're on the coast one second, and then we're up in the mountains and the big redwood trees next. You really got a taste of everything that California has to offer.
If you've ever spent time in Southern California, Northern California is a different area. It's a different vibe up here.
The scenery on this route is great and the riding is amazing, but it's really the people, the locals, that make the Lost Coast so special.
It was just such a good time. I'm gonna be dreaming about this route for days. I can't wait to come back. My face is sore. My smile has been so big this entire trip.
This route is about 600 miles or so, and I'm telling you, when you're done with it, you feel like you did a full BDR. You're definitely gonna get your fill, no doubt.
Oh, so beautiful, so much fun.
Awesome riding, beautiful views, just fun times here on the Lost Coast BDR-X.
You do feel like you're getting lost on the Lost Coast because the vibe is just kind of remote, but also very unique and interesting. I just can't wait to share this route with the rest of the community.